Morning, Pops.
Little nippy this morning.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. If you guys are watching this, then what we're going to pick up ended up working out.
Psych! We've got some upgrades to the shop because we're sick and tired of the old diesel heater, A, being super noisy, and B, you know, leaving whatever, making you smell like diesel. So we've got one of these diesel heater units out. I just got it hooked up a few days ago. We did a test run on it. It works killer. So I'm just getting ready to fire this baby up because Cole hasn't seen it working yet. So we're going to show him how to heat the shop. All I've done is kind of the temporary hookup deal. So you have to turn this on. This converts AC to DC. So fire that baby up. You'll see the LCD come on. And once that turns on, once that initializes, got your little remote control. And you just push the on button. That's it. Bam. Bam. Oh, got to make sure that we got fuel. Otherwise, obviously, the diesel heater won't work. But once it heats up and goes,
it's 33 degrees in here.
33 degrees in here. But what are you doing? Breaking it already.
It's been all over TikTok.
What has this heater?
This heater.
Yeah, it has been, and I got a killer deal on it, so I pulled the trigger.
So we'll let you guys know how it ends up with.
It'll end up well.
All right, guys. Obviously, buying a truck this morning was a bust. Got to know when to walk away, and it was an 04 Dodge with 167,000 on it. Ended up just clear coat pill, and what we were trying to do to flip it just ended up not being what we were looking for. So we had to walk away. This wasn't what it was supposed to be. KSL Classifieds almost got the best of us again. But so since that didn't work out, we're coming back. We're going to get on Dad's first gen. Plan is to get the motor out, get the trans out, and hopefully get it down to just a frame and axles. It's been
Then we can start working on the frame.
Yeah, that's the game plan. We're just going to get right into it because we got to get some shit done.
motor and fuel tank lists. Still got a lot of
A lot of cleanup left to do before we get this puppy spray painted. This is what, episode 4?
She's dirty.
Yeah, I've never worked on anything get you so dirty.
More than this.
Neglected. It's just neglect. Lack of laziness.
But motor's out, fuel cell's out.
Now we got to.
I'll probably be the engine man. Pops will be the
You're
frame.
the engine man.
Pops will be the frame man.
I'll be doing frame cleanup, prep, and ready to. Yeah. Nasty. Look at that. Nasty.
But success.
Yeah, the progress. That's where we're at. Progress. Needs to be a little faster, but maybe now that we've got everything out and ready, it'll go a lot faster because there's nothing in our way.
Yeah, hopefully next video will probably be wire wheel, stuff like that. So we're kind of headed in the upward direction now, not the downward, hopefully.
Yeah, no more tear down. Now
Yeah,
we're
no more
built
tear
up.
down. So motor's out, frame's there. We're basically framing axles now, so we can get ready to get cleaned up. Take care of your 12 valve.
Take care of your 12 valve.
Thanks for watching.
Peace.